my cousin. His name is Chichi Bella / my designer. He's the one who designed my outfit for today.
Tayo / toothbrush model.
Look. Hey,
And
Chichi,
then-
introduce yourself.
And then this is my cousin.
Faster. And this is another.
Deodorant endorser. Deodorant.
Yeah, the deodorant endorser.
Ganun natin
And this is my father,
And this is
the
my
driver, and this is my mom. See my beautiful mom.
the model of the shoe.
Tumigil ka dyan, susok.
My father, look at him. He's always doing this.
This is my father.
Now it's raining.
The model
By
of
the way, it's 1st of January.
Welcome 2016.
pati
Ay.
dito, mga ganyan-ganyan.